Who needs an iPad with a green case when you have an iPad with a wooden skin on it? So in the last video, I looked at this, which is an iPhone 5C on iOS 9. Haven't really messed with it, but you know, it's a really nice collection piece. So just today, I was spending time with my family, and I got 3 new devices to look at. Number 1 is this iPad 2. It's cracked, yes, it is definitely cracked up in the corner over there. But it works and it runs iOS 9 freshly restored. 32 gigabytes on iOS 9. Let's put that back down here. Second is this iPad mini 1st generation. It is also on iOS 9 and it's also 32 gigabytes. And yes, I'm using the really safe charging cable for this. Yeah, I don't really have another one. I should say I don't have another USB-A lightning cable. I have a USB-C one. And last but not least, this Apple Watch, I think it's a 1st generation. Hold down the power button. Yeah, it says it needs to charge. The screen is filthy, so I'm gonna have to clean it. The Apple Watch is definitely something I want to work on. I do want to get this working, so when I get it charged up, I want to see if it, you know, does anything. I should say I've had some problems with this iPad right here. So when I got it, my uncle told me that it was just stuck on the Apple logo and it wouldn't do anything else. So I was like, okay, it probably just needs to be restored. It's probably corrupted. iOS is probably corrupted. I plugged it into my computer. I tried to restore it through... nope, that's not happening. So I had to plug it into my old MacBook Pro, and that eventually got it working. Now for the test. Does this actually work, or is it just screwing with me? Find out right now. Oh my gosh, it works. And now it fully works. It's a working iPad. It's cracked, but it works. Not even iCloud locked, which is nice. Yes, I'm recording this on March 31st, so when you're seeing this on April 1st, no, this is not April Fool's video. Meanwhile, this iPad right here had 0 issues. The iPad mini was flawless, no issues whatsoever. It worked fantastically. iOS 9 on my channel recently. Now, let's get started on doing stuff with this Apple Watch. Alright guys, so I have an update on the Apple Watch. I have it right here, it's charging, and I also have the iPhone 5C from the last video, and we're gonna use it to set it up. Alright, now we have it connected to Wi-Fi, we can now start pairing. English. United States. Start pairing. There we go. iPhone out of date. Damn it. Okay. So I can't use this one. I have to use like an iPhone 5S or something. Well, time to plug this one back in and leave it here. Alright guys, so the 5S is now charged and we can now use it to set up this Apple Watch. Be nice if you would focus, please. There you go. Oh, there we go. Left, I guess. Please don't be activation locked. Please don't be activation locked. Please do not be activation locked. That would absolutely suck. Agree. Yes, agree. Agree. No. Okay, well... we got our answer. It is activation locked, and I don't feel like contacting my uncle just for this watch that he doesn't use anymore, because I have my own and I use it. Please continue setup on iPhone. I don't think I want to do that. Power off. Well, that's about it for this video. If you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.